So this bag is really, really cute. Makeup bag, dream bag. This is nice. Okay, so they had different makeup bags. This one says essentials. Then this one says makeup. These are really cute. So the Dollar Tree, you guys see me going to next to my house. They have the blue tie-dye plates. But okay, so they have these plates right here. Now these plates, they are really, really cute. All right. These are $1.25. And I showed you guys this good days start with gratitude. I know that's right because it do. And then they also have the kitchen towels that go with the tie-dye plates. Okay, this is very, very cute. I love this. They also have, ooh, child. Okay, got the bowls and honey, don't hypnotize me. Okay, this is cute. Okay, so when it comes to this sticks, okay, they have more of a selection. So they have it in green and pink, and then they also have it in blue. These floor sticks is good, but they do have, it's like the double, twice the clean, and I never used this before. Oh, but look at this. Oh, child. Okay, let's go ahead and get one of these. All right, so this mouthwash, it had went viral on TikTok, okay? Guru Nada. And they have, I'm shocked. They have this at the Dollar Tree, the floor sticks. Oh, let's try this. Okay, so these Halloween bags, they are really cute. No tricks, just treats. Very nice. Cute. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so today we are at a new Dollar Tree. Okay, this Dollar Tree is probably like 4 towns away from me. Okay, let's see what they have inside. Okay, so first up, oh wow, they have this pen that I had. I don't even know where my pen is. Okay, I don't know if my children, I don't want to say they did something with it. I don't want to say that. Okay, this Dollar Tree, it kind of looked bigger than a one that I normally go to. Ooh, these are cute. These zebra pencils, very nice. Okay, so they have the notebooks over here, back to school, right here. Then they also have Flower Girl. Oh, this is cute. Very nice. Okay. And then they have this for the pencil and pen holders or erasers. Okay, and this is pretty much their flower assortment for harvest. Okay. Ooh, they start. Honey, I don't know. They may be giving the Dollar Tree where I live a run for the money. Okay, look at this. Happy for y'all. This is really, really cute. The pumpkins with the football. Gather and give thanks. Okay. I think I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna just go on ahead and get this. Okay. Then they also have Hollow 4. Pumpkin Patch, I love for most of all. Farm Fresh Pumpkins. This is cute right here. Okay, so these LED lanterns, they have more of a variety than the Dollar Tree next to me. So they come in purple, orange, black, and white. And then they also have the LED projectors over here, the shadow projectors. Family, let's see what they have for the cleaning supplies. Okay, oh, this, you know what? I really like this Dollar Tree. It's bigger in here, but they pretty much have the same. Let me see. It looks like they have the same exact thing. Oh, okay. So they have this, the wood cleaner, the kitchen cleaner. I told you guys, this is a dupe of Method, okay? And I had used the kitchen cleaner and I think it was the bathroom cleaner, but they now have the wood cleaner. I never used the wood cleaner. I wonder how that is. It actually puts cleaning power into plain old water with plant-derived ingredients. Oh, okay. Now I'm thinking, because I'm like, this is watery. So would this really do something for, you know, cleaning, dusting your furniture? I don't know. But this is the one that I normally would get, the fresh scent, the bathroom cleaner. That one is really, really good. Okay, so these vases, honey, whatever you want to call it, okay, they are $1.25 here, but I believe by my house, I don't know if they $3, but they definitely $1.25 here. But they also have these over here. These are really, really cute, the different colors. And then they also have this up at the top. Oh wow, they also have Goofy spray string. This Dollar Tree is all right with me, child. So they have these journals right here. This is really, really cute with the dogs. And I love the journals that have the lines. Some journals you buy from the Dollar Tree, they don't have lines, but this one definitely do. This one is cute as well. You know what? I'm trying to see, because I picked that other thing up and honey, I put it right back down. All right. I'm trying to see who do that. Pick stuff up and then say, you know what? I don't want that. I'm trying to see, should I get another journal? You know what? I could never have too many journals. I told you guys I use the journals for my goals. And I could never have enough. So this is pretty much what they have over here, like gift books. Oh, they also have gift books. The Truth Pops Out. Who used to watch Arthur? Oh, okay, Arthur's Pals. This is cute. Oh, Leo Gets Lost. This is so, so cute. So if you on a budget and you want to come and get books like for your children and stuff like that, I strongly, strongly advise you to come to the Dollar Tree. Okay, I always love seeing this when I come to the Dollar Tree. Okay, the black Barbie dolls. Okay, very, very cute. Okay, so this is pretty much they back to school section over here, or they office supplies. Okay, they have flashcards, alphabet flashcards. Well, flashcards, okay. They also have numbers, flashcards, and then they also have award stickers and charts. This is cute. And then tattoos over here for the children, okay. Some of, what is this? Transformers going on. Okay, then they have some more over here. All right, some sticky pads. Okay, so listen, honey, they look at they candles all together. Okay, all right, all together. Oh, look at this laundry room. Okay, sort tomorrow, wash later, dry soon, fold maybe. I know that's right. On get real. I know that's right. And then over here they have these candles right here. Oh, it smells okay. They're not strong. But they have vanilla, they have ripened, some ripened berry. Then they also have apple cinnamon. And then they have some of these over here. Okay, so one of the things that I noticed immediately about this Dollar Tree, now the Dollar Tree next to my house, which is a dollar, it's called Dollar Plus, did that Dollar Tree have the same exact product, but the one that's by my house, they are larger. Okay, this spray. Now here, this spray is like really, really small. It's like a travel size. Okay, scratch that. I spoke too soon. They do have the bigger ones down here at the bottom. Let me know if you guys have tried this spray. They have this hand sanitizer here, lavender, lemon, and then also This one is just a moisturizes with that vitamin N and aloe. This body wash right here, it reminds me of Olay. Okay, so I guess this is supposed to be like the dupe of Olay. All right, and it's 2-in-1 body wash, and it comes in 2 different scents. Okay, honey, I'm looking for the scents. I don't see it, but it comes in pink and also in blue. So I told you guys last time about this nail polish, right? How I absolutely love it because it has like the gel like. But one of the things I noticed about this Dollar Tree, they have like a big selection. Okay, so they have that color. They also have the bright pink. Then they also have the green. Ooh, this one is different. And then they also have the green that's in the back. And then I showed you guys the blue, I think. This is really, really cute. So they have the makeup sponges, one for blending, highlight, and one for couture. And they come in different colors. They also have this right here, okay? The foot file. I don't think the Dollar Tree where I live had this. I'm not sure. I haven't seen it. Or maybe I overlooked it. So I'm going to go ahead and get one of these. The only thing about these paper towel rags that they start rusting after a while. But I'm going to go ahead and get one of these. This is $1.25, of course. Oh, this is cute. So this is foil backsplash wall stickers. This is nice. Okay, so I'm heading to check out. I got 2 items. They also have these napkin holders. This is nice. Honey, 4-pack paper. Okay, these knobs. You get 4 in a pack because eventually, after a while, honey, they're going to get dull. So this is very good for $1.25. They also have this right here for the kids, Flip and Fluff. That's nice.